Hello guys, there we have a Samsung washing machine WW80T504DAEA and welcome on control panel overview video. So the first button is a power on or power off. This is a navigation dial, just turn it to adjust the cycles. This button is for a start or pause the cycle. There you have a display with a few buttons. This button, it's okay. You can use it to confirm anything. The next one is temperature, if you want to adjust it by yourself. The next one is rinse, and tap on it to change the rinse count for the selected cycle. This button is a spin if you want to adjust the speed. And this one is for the additional functions. This button is for a smart control if you want to activate or deactivate the smart control function. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.